My name is Good day everyone. My name is Adeyanju Ismail Adedolapo and I'm representing Osun State. So I'm part of the contestant from Mr. and Miss Nigeria International 2020. Actually, challenges. I really don't have much challenges though, because I can't call that challenges. Because I just feel we have a lot to go in this life, so I really can't call that challenges. But what I can call my major challenges is managing my brand, because I also have a brand I'm managing, and education. Education too. It has not been easy at all. Managing my brand, education, and the pageantry. So, but this is my dream. It's something I've been wanting for so long. It's something I actually crave for. It's like a passion. So when it comes, I didn't think twice. I just grab it once. It's something I want. So I can't call those stuff challenges though. And another thing I can call challenges, not really challenges though, it's people voting for me trying to convince my friends, to vote for me and all. It's not been easy. You get, like, people voting for you. You all know what I'm talking about actually. So and if I become the winner of Mr. and Miss Nigeria International 2020, I really want to create a platform. This platform will be for the youth. This platform is to empower the youth. I really want a Nigeria where there won't be illiteracy, in Nigeria where there won't be internet fraudster. I really want in Nigeria a powered Nigeria whereby we can all come together, whereby I will empower the youth. I really want a Nigeria whereby we create a free education. I really don't know if I can do that though, but with the help of the government and people, I will try my best to create that. And I also want a pageantry, like to be something bigger in Nigeria. I don't want it to be something people don't take it as much. People think it's just a little thing. They really don't take this stuff so big. So I really want it to be wild thing in the world, and I really want people to recognize Nigeria as one of the best in it. So I really want to thank everyone for supporting me so far. This journey has not been easy. I really want to thank you, my family, and everyone. I really want to thank you so much. So.